That sounded so weird. Hi friends! Today I am going to be doing Just to Get Ready with Me because I have a brunch date, so we're just gonna be getting ready for that. Nothing super extraordinary or anything, but I just thought I would film a video on just a cute, simple makeup look that is good for if you're going out for brunch with friends or your significant other or whatever you're doing. I'm first taking my No Problem primer from Touch and Soul. I'm not going to do any foundation because I don't want to worry about like a full face of makeup, so I'm just going to go in with my Flower Beauty, I believe it's called Light Illusion. Yes, Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. But I just put this under my eyes. This is my all-time favorite concealer in existence. Just blend it all in. This is my BH Cosmetics number 4 brush from the White Gold collection, if they still have it. This is my all-time favorite brush for blending in concealer. It's just like so easy. And I just take it with a dry Real Technique sponge and set it. Then I take my Moda Royal and Langnickel brush and I take my Cover FX palette and the contour color for contour, and I'm like not super like careful with this. I kind of just stick it in the hollows, and this is a bigger brush, so then I bring it up onto my temples and all the way up to my forehead and down to my neck. I'm kind of going all over the place randomly, but I'm going to take my MAC Paint Pot, and the brush that I use is from Crown. It might actually be called a concealer brush, I believe. Then I take the finishing powder from the kit, that same Color FX kit, on a really wide shader brush and just use that to set my entire eyelid so that there are no issues with blending. I'm also gonna hop around a little bit more and do my brows real quick. So I kind of like hop around and do my makeup in the order that like I want to make sure that I hit the important things first, like in case I run out of time. And this is obviously more relevant in the morning before work, but I kind of like have started just doing it as my order in general. Like I always want to make sure that my brows are done, like that's a non-negotiable. And then like I like, of course, need concealer to look alive and more put together, and then like bronzer, contour, whatever helps with color on the skin. And then of course like concealing my eyelids, because I feel like my eyes just look so rough if I don't conceal my lids. So I need to always, at the very least, do this. So I go in with my paint pot and then set it. And some days I only do that. But next I jump into blush. This is the Hourglass Diffused Heat Blush. Someone was selling it for super cheap, not used, like still in the box. So next I go in with my highlight, which is this brightener color from the kit from Color FX. Should we play with like one of these palettes here? This is Shane Dawson Jeffree Star palette. See, like, this is beautiful, but I literally like have no use for those colors. So like I've loved sleep paralysis for like events. I used it for my work event. If you saw that video, I did a get ready with me with that as well. I think I just want to keep it simple, like not colored. I'm just gonna take Tanacon. I just feel like it's not a very like conducive palette. Like I feel like I need to dip into something else. I'm gonna take Just a Theory, which is a really pretty like coppery color, with my finger on my lid. Super pigmented with your finger. I'm taking my brightener like highlight shade that I used on my face and putting that on my brow bone to use that right. And then I just took Diet Root Beer a little bit darker in the crease, and on my bottom lash line I took Tanacon and Diet Root Beer just to tie it all together. Nothing magnificent, but I'll use this on camera because I haven't yet. I'm not gonna take like an actual gel liner or anything, but I am gonna line my lash line, there we go, with a black, which there is a really nice black in the Conspiracy palette. On an angled brush, sit on the outside there and bring it in. The difference that made on my eyes. Just kind of use my finger to blend. Take it a little bit down on the lower lash line, just like the outer corner there. Just adding my mascara, which is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I'm going to throw on my Saint Laurent lip gloss in Champagne. Just as a little something something. I mean, we're going to eat, so I didn't want like a full-on lip color. I think that's ridiculous if you're going to eat. Ritz my face. I use my Marie Badescu facial spray. So this is the look that I have for brunch. Probably a little much, but thought it would be fun. So yeah, I'm going to go because she's almost here, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Give this a thumbs up. I will see you all in my next video, and in the meantime, make sure to spread some positivity. Bye guys.